As the years passed, the influence of Christianity grew in Iceland, and with it came stricter laws and regulations on alcohol consumption. In 1915, the Icelandic parliament passed a law prohibiting the production and sale of all alcoholic beverages with an alcohol content higher than 2.25%. This effectively banned beer, as most beers have an alcohol content higher than this limit. The ban was in place for nearly 75 years until it was finally lifted in 1989. So what led to this decision to lift the ban? Well, it's important to note that the ban on beer was not the only measure taken to curb alcohol consumption in Iceland. The country also implemented strict regulations on the sale and advertising of alcohol, as well as higher taxes on alcoholic beverages. These measures were put in place in an effort to reduce the negative effects of alcohol abuse, such as crime and health issues.